Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. My last video called Does the Amp Hour Rating Matter in Tool Operation, Season 4, Episode 7. And I went through the 1.3 amp hour battery, 3 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and a 6 amp hour battery, and the operation and length of run for different Ryobi tools. Well, today I'm very excited because I just received a 9 amp hour Ryobi battery. To me personally, is it going to be a game changer, and is it worth the money? Currently, the cost, I paid about the same for this as I did for a 6 amp hour battery, and we're going to see the difference in the performance and what tools I actually use it for. So if you want to see that previous video on amp hour ratings, it will show up at the end of this video, so then you can click on that, and remember to subscribe to Mr. Berdis on YouTube. So the first tool that I bought this for, and I'm hoping that I can use this on multiple other tools, because not only will it increase the operation time of the actual tool, it increases the actual output of the tools. So, and you can see that in the previous video, but I'm going to plug this in to my table saw, the PBL-TS01, and we're just going to give it a test run and see how it sounds, and see if it's giving it any more boost than a 4 amp hour battery or a 6 amp hour battery. As you can see, you're getting more power, so this is going to allow you to run the table saw longer, and you're also going to get better cut, and you're going to be able to cut through harder materials. So what are the other tools that I can use this 9 amp hour battery for that I have, and the reason I bought it? Let's go over and take a look at a couple more. All right, so some of the other tools that I plan on using this battery for to increase the length of runtime and everything that I can do with it is, one, the Ryobi wet dry vac, model number P770. Plug this little puppy in, turn on the power. So you use it on that. The other thing that I'm going to use it for is basically for some of your smaller tools like your drills and jigsaws and things like that. It's kind of hefty, so I don't personally recommend that, because using drills and the jigsaws and other tools, the actual smaller batteries, I usually use a 3 amp hour battery with those, and I can operate those all day. Other tools that I can use it for is the Ryobi 13-inch string trimmer edger. Okay, this is the model number P194-The. And as you can see, I've used this for years now, and this will increase the runtime and the operational speed. One of the other tools that I'm going to use this for, my little Ryobi edger P2300. This is a great little model. So I actually have multiple uses for this particular battery right now, and I love that Ryobi is moving up closer to being able to power some more, being able to have some more high-powered tools in our arsenal, in the Ryobi arsenal. And I can't wait to see what Ryobi has. I've been following and using Ryobi tools for 15 years, and the evolution of the first tools and the increase in the number of tools and the size of the amp hour batteries for operation is fantastic. I highly recommend this. If you have a lot of Ryobi tools, or if you're using a lot of the 18-volt cordless tools for outside, or the shop vac, or the table saw, always remember: dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.